Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to share images from your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let's get started. So basically, there's two ways. First one is via messages and second one via gallery. Let's start with the messages. We would need to go to the messages app and choose a contact that we wanna send the picture to. For example, I will choose my friend right here. Then, we would need to click on this button with a picture and camera and choose the photo that we would like to send. Also, by clicking on this bar add text, you can type in any description. After you're done, click on this send button and that's it. Now let's move on to the gallery. To send a photo via gallery, we would need to go in and choose a photo that we would like to send. For example, these headphones. Then click on this button, which looks like a little triangle, and choose an app via which you would like to send the photo. You can also choose the messages or send it to the cloud, for example, of Google. And also by clicking on the button more, you can see more apps. And that's it. Now choose the app and send a photo. That was it. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.